These unsafe acts have caused fatal workplace accidents. Not because workers didn't know better, but because safety was ignored for just a few seconds. Let's look at 5 unsafe acts that have killed workers on the job. Most fatal workplace accidents are not caused by machine failure. They are caused by unsafe human actions. Actions that seem normal, until something goes wrong. Unsafe act number 1. Ignoring safety procedures. Workers skip steps to save time or effort. But procedures exist because someone was injured or killed before. Unsafe act number 2. Working without proper PPE. A missing helmet, glove, or eye protection can turn a small incident into a fatal injury. PPE only works when it is worn correctly. Unsafe act number 3. Standing in dangerous zones. Workers are crushed every year by moving vehicles, suspended loads, and rotating equipment. Being in the wrong place for 1 second can be fatal. Unsafe act number 4. Using tools incorrectly. Tools are designed for specific tasks. When misused, they become unpredictable and extremely dangerous. Unsafe act number 5. Taking safety lightly. Overconfidence leads to shortcuts, and shortcuts are often the final decision before a serious accident happens. Most workplace deaths are preventable. Learn safety before an accident teaches you. Subscribe to Workplace Safety Lab for practical safety lessons that save lives.